Hey guys, it's Jen. How are you doing? I got this week, a couple days ago. I wasn't feeling well though, so I kind of waited a little bit to make a video. Not open. So this is my PAPERGANG stationery subscription box from Oh Dear out of the UK, and this would be the September 2021 box. And I like the colors. They're not traditional fall, but I definitely feel fall. They're very earthy, very pretty. So we will, I was gonna say waste no time, but then I can't open the box. Oh, this is great. Okay, well, this box seems to be a little faulty this month. Yeah. All right. My bone folder here. I don't have a letter opener in my craft room. I'm going to get into this. There we go. This one better be good. Worth it. Good Lord. Come on. Ugh. Use all my muscles. Okay. Hello, stationery lover. Yeah, I'm not sure what that was about, but that didn't work anyway. All right. Fresh pasta delivered to your door. Pasta Evangelists. That's actually a really pretty card. Like, it's all gilded and everything. So we'll add, yada yada. Ooh, that is very fall. This reminds me a lot of some Forebears Sticker Club stickers I had gotten a while back. The landscape with like the nice autumny colors. So designed by Mouse House? Mouse House. All right. I hope I pronounced that right. I know H-A-U-S is house, so Mouse House. Okay, so let's get right into her. We will, oh, I ripped it. Whoops. This is nice kind of a burnt orange almost, or more like a dark coral. Ouch. Oh, I got a paper cut. Ah. Another, didn't they send me a planner last month? A couple months ago? Okay, so I got another planner. I don't use planners. So maybe, oh, it's got a string hang on the thread. So maybe I'll actually give this one away. It's actually a lot like the other planner. This planner that I got a couple months ago from them, it's like the same planner, I think, pretty well, because check it. So I think each planner only does a few months, so maybe that's why they send a new one every few months. I really do love this print, but yeah, I don't use planners. So that one I'm gluing, the rainbow one I'm gluing together, gluing the pages together so I can use it as a journal, but this maybe I'll pass on to someone else, I think. Okay, where do I start? Look at these little Post-its. Little Post-its, page flags. Those are cute. Really cute. Love the color. Ooh, some cards. Happy birthday. Beautiful envelope. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Man, I got some really good cards from these guys. Oh, it's embossed too. The other one was too, yeah. It's embossed. That's pretty. Choose happy. That's pretty too. I love these colors. Very pretty. Life is short and the world is wide. So I think this is a print. Yes, it is. It's a print. So I will actually slide that out. Let's see here. I can get this out of there. Ooh. I am very strong today. There we go. Life is short and it's very nice quality, nice like cardstock. Life is short and the world is wide. That's very pretty, very, very pretty. Okay, and then we also have some markers. They say PAPERGANG. Oh, they're like felt tip. Nice. Some funky colors. Green, pink. Is that lilac? Oh, like a medium purple. Is that dark turquoise? Nice. So these colors, yeah, I'll go with this. These colors are in right now, right? Like the turquoise and orange and the greens. More forest green, though, I find, than that. Green and then like pinks and... Nice. Okay. I feel like this one maybe didn't have as much in it as some of the previous ones, maybe? Or maybe it's just me because the planner, I'm kind of meh about the planner. Happy birthday. How'd you like these cards? Definitely. Okay, yeah, so that is this month's. I do really love the artwork, definitely. Like, I wish that I used planners, but I'm honest with myself that, you know, it's not something I do. I have good intentions and then, yeah, it just stops. It stops a little bit in. I can't even do it on my phone, but this is really pretty. Yeah, I will definitely find a home for this. Very pretty. Okay, so yeah, if you enjoyed the video, let me know. Give me a thumbs up and a follow if you please would. And yeah, let me know what other kinds of videos you'd like to see. Like I love doing like haul videos and things like that. But I mean, anything crafty that you want to see, let me know. And I'll see what I can do. Right now I'm kind of busy. Almost finished renovating my house, so we can put it up for sale. But after that, I'll be getting back into the swing of things. Okay, great. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.